Good afternoon. Yeah, it's not morning. It is in the afternoon, and I'm fixing to cook dinner. And I'm going to cook a recipe out of this cookbook. This is from Deborah and I. We co-authored this cookbook, Recipes by Nomads for Nomads. And I have been wanting to do all the recipes in this book. I have, I think, 5 recipes in this book. And even though all of these are on my channel, I want to do an updated version of these and then put them all in a playlist. So if you go to my channel, you'll see a playlist with this name, Recipes by Nomads for Nomads. So today I am going to cook, this is a requested recipe from Deborah to cook from Kathy and Dan. And it's on page 39, and it's cabbage and noodles. Cabbage and noodles. It says optional, you can add bacon, ham, sour cream, chicken bouillon. And I'm going to add, for my meat, I'm going to add half of this smoked sausage. So let me show you what we need. So I'm not going to make like a full recipe. I'm going to... Hi, Sammy. I'm not going to make a full recipe. I have a half a head of cabbage. Have y'all seen these nifty little garlic cloves? You put them in the freezer. I mean, that's from the freezer department. Yeah, so I don't have any fresh garlic, so I'm going to use that. And I probably won't use a whole... half of this onion, but I'll probably use half of this half. And smoked sausage and egg noodles. So like I said, I'm not gonna do a whole recipe, so I am just gonna eyeball it. Yeah, I'm gonna only do enough noodles in this pan, and then I'm gonna cook the sausage and the cabbage and onions in this pan and combine them with the garlic. And that's going to be... Oh, and the meat. Half of the meat. That's going to be dinner tonight. Alright, let's cut up the cabbage. Now, I forget the name of this knife. What is it? What is it? What is it? People ask me about... Oh, MD Hand. And I will leave a link down below to this knife. I am liking it. Yes. You know me and my knives. Alright. I might keep, and I might not, let's see, keep a little bit of this cabbage, because if you watch my meal planning Monday video, I'm going to have some chalupas, and I need lettuce, or we like cabbage on ours, so might just leave a little bit out, just for that meal too. So, I'll cut this. I never know how to cut cabbage. Thin, that's how. Thin slice, oops, thin slices. Add noodles onto the floor too. Noodles, water. Salt. Light the fire and look at this mess I made. Some oil. I have to hurry, the sun's going down. This is fully cooked sausage, so I just need to get it in the pan, get it all heated up and constituted with the cabbage and onions. That smells so good already. And the recipe calls for lots of pepper. That's my kind of recipe. I'll probably even add more to mine. Okay, let's add the noodles. I might not add all these noodles. I don't want the cabbage to get lost in the noodles. Oops. Yum. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And the recipe said you could add sour cream, and I'm wondering, should I add some sour cream to this? Gonna have to taste it like this. Let's see. I don't know, that's good just like that. Plate it up. You don't need anything else. You got your pasta, you got your veggie, you got your meat. I would say that's a balanced meal right there, wouldn't you? Okay, we're trying to decide if we want to add sour cream, so she's going to take a bite.
Let's see.
By itself.
This is so exciting. This is Kathy and Dan's recipe?
Yes.
Awesome.
And in the recipe book, it says you can add...
Straight out of hot.
the weather. It's good, isn't it?
That's really good.
Now, do we eat it like that, or do we add sour cream?
Certainly could eat it like that, but I want to try it with sour cream too. This is good.
Well, we can't take the sour cream out once we...
Well, that's true.
So...
Well, sour cream can't ruin anything.
Well, that's true. All right, let's put sour cream in.
And I just, in my defense, I just want to say I've been working and writing all day. I didn't think anybody would see me, and here I am on the World Wide Web.
Okay.
Okay, but it's worth it to eat.
Yeah, you gotta eat.
I gotta eat.
All right, let's add some sour cream. Now, how much do we add? That's the test. That's the question.
That's the question. Is it like supposed to be added on the plate, maybe?
No.
No?
No.
I'm not the cook, so what would I know?
No.
No.
Add it to it.
Do it to it.
But that's gonna be good.
Got dogs bumping the camera, sorry.
Well, Sammy, I had it on a tripod earlier, and Sammy was bumping it. So.
Yeah.
All right, let it heat up a little bit, and then we'll eat.
So we eat.
Plate it up.
Doggies. Doggies. Y'all don't get any cabbage and noodles and sour creams and y'all
Sausage.
Don't. And sausage.
No.
No.
Hi, Sammer.
I'm having to hold him because he's going to fall.
You're going to fall, you little noodle.
He's a noodle.
You're just a noodle.
It is so good. I like it with and without, but I think I like it better with the sour cream.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
So this is out of our book, mine and Jana's, Recipes by Nomads for Nomads. 15 different people contributed tons of recipes. She's already told you about that. But we are so proud of this, and this is your second recipe in your playlist out of the book?
Yes,
Yeah.
I've done the other 5, but on video, but they're not in the playlist because I'm going to update them.
Okay, and the dogs are wanting it too, but they don't get any of this. And so this was Cabbage and Noodles by Kathy and Dan, and you can get this on my website, deborah.dickinson.com/books, or go to my Amazon author page, and this is by both Frugal RV Gal and I, and she's got 5 recipes in there. But thank you, Kathy and Dan. This was awesome.
Link will be down in the description below.
Sammy, what do you want to tell them? Yeah, she's trying to tell you this is available on my mom's Amazon page too. So go to Amazon, Jana Walker, her author page. And what other book has Jana published? Y'all go there and tell us in the comments below. Thank you for the reminder, Sammy. And Finn. Okay, no bark. And you can get this on my website, deborah.dickinson.com/books, or go to my Amazon author page, and this is by both Frugal RV Gal and I, and she's got 5 recipes in there. But thank you, Kathy and Dan. This was awesome.
Link will be down in the description below.
Okay, system updates.
All right.
Okay, system update, software update, whatever you want to say. You can find this in 3 places. On Jana's Amazon author page, she has another book, and I'm going to... Okay, no bark.